Do you want toned arms without using heavy weights? On the Rebounder, we're going to use resistance bands. Make sure you are warmed up. We start with the band in front of, wrapped around here. I also will show you on the second time around how to use it stepping on the band, all right? So let's just start. First of all, let me get some music on. Pushing down on the mat with the baby bounce. Relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Soften the knees, engage that core. We're gonna start with the bicep curls. We only have six routines. All right, start with a bicep curl. Put your arms here next to your waist and bicep curl. Squeeze that bicep as you come up. Relax the fingers. Now if you need to step back a little bit, that's fine, just don't step off. So baby bounce, squeeze. You can do a left and a right. Isolate that bicep. Go back to both of them. Let's go. Good. Left and right. Squeeze that bicep. Concentrate. And finish with both. Let's go. All right. Next one, we're going to do a V up. Bring your legs a little bit further than shoulder width apart. Soften those knees and bring them out here. And we're going to go out like a V. All right. Slight pause at the top. Bring them up. Pause. Come down. You want good form. V up. Again, it's just a baby bounce. Just pushing down on the mat. A few more of those. V up. Good. All right, bring it down, shake it out a minute. Now we're going to face away. And I'm going to do a lateral raise and a chest fly. All right, so I'm going to face away like this. I'll show you from the back. Let me turn this down. Okay. I'm going to go to the side and a chest fly. Side, chest fly. Oh, very good. Okay, the next one is going to be a shoulder press. Again, we're facing away. All right, let me put it back up. So it's going to go here, and we're going to press up. Soften the knees, bounce, and press. Working on the back, working on the shoulders. Good, all right. Now, the next one we're gonna do, hold on. We're going to get down on the knees and we're gonna do a tricep extension. So if you don't wanna get down, you know what, let me show you the alternating way of doing this. This one is a little bit easier. Let's go back to stepping on, about shoulder width apart, okay? Like that. And let's go back to the bicep curls. Baby bounce. Because if you have a rebounder that doesn't have the arched legs, sometimes the rebounder can come up. It can go off the floor. Left and right. All right. Now, we're going to do a tricep extension. So you're going to bring your legs close like this. Bring your arms up over your head. Let me turn to the side for you. Okay? Engage that core. Keep your head up and tricep extension. Try to keep your arms close to your head. Squeeze in that tricep. Okay, I'm starting to feel it, starting to sweat. Do about 12 of those and relax. Shake it out. All right, so we did the bicep and then we did the opposing, we did the tricep. Now let's do some bent over, a rear delt fly. Okay, so I'm gonna go fly, like that, and then I'm gonna do a tricep kick, tricep extension back with my hands down. So, all right, so this and like this. Do a few of those, just you'll start to feel this one in the outside of your arms. All right, so those are just a few things that you can do. There's one more that you can do on your knees if you want. Sometimes it's a little harder for people to get off and on, all right? So again, we do bicep, you can do a bent over tricep like this, working the tricep, or you can do triceps over your head, okay? You can do the shoulder press. You can do V-ups. Remember the V-ups? Okay. Then you can do rear delt flies with the press back. You can do, so those are just a few things that you do with the bands. Throw those down now and just shake it out a little bit with a little joyful jump. And let's just shake it out and stretch a little bit. Step touch. And swing your arms. Over your head. Heel digs. Swing your arms. And bow and arrow arms. Good. Now up and around. And the other way. Good. Let's do basic bounce. And joyful jump. And when you're done, you're going to stretch your calves out. Stretch those calves out. Stretch the arms out. Okay, and breathe and stay hydrated. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh, and don't forget, I have Sunday Praise coming up. See you next time. Bye.